going on, everybody? How are we doing today? Today I'd like to do another video game system video for you guys. As you can see, I pretty much have all the newest systems and then their older version as well. As you can see on the left, Ps4, got the Ps5 with the disc. Next to that I have the Xbox Series S discless. And the one to the right of that, that's the Xbox One S, the older version with the disc. In the middle there, that is actually a brand new Xbox Series S that is extra. Possibly could do some sort of giveaway if we have another huge blow up video like my previous video, which I'll show you in just a second. And on the right there, of course, that is the Xbox Series X. That one is brand new and sealed, which I'll be unboxing in my next video. I had one of these last year and I didn't play it that much, and my brother's son really wanted one, so I sold it to him. And recently I got another one, so I will be unboxing that again. And then as you can see behind there are 3 monitors, so we can set up 3 of these at the same exact time. We can do speed test, we can do quality test on the picture, see how everything runs versus each other. And of course, if you're a PlayStation fan, we can do the same over there. I don't know, I just think we can make some pretty cool videos, but I like to have ideas from all of you guys. So if you have any good ideas, please let me know down in the comments. And like I said, there's a possibility if one of these next videos blow up like my first video, which I'm going to show you in just a second, I could do a giveaway of this guy here, because it is an extra one I have. And as you can see, it's still brand new and sealed. So these things are still super hard to get, especially this one. This one took me a good 6 months to find a replacement after I sold one to my brother. And as you can see, this is brand new as well. And I'll probably do an unboxing as I do that next video. So just a quick video. I know that video I did back before Christmas. I know I've had a lot of requests to see Grand Theft Auto loading times, some Call of Duty games, stuff like that. Once again, just let me know down in the comments and I'll try to make that happen. The biggest thing you could do for me to help out this channel is leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. So if you can help me do all that, that'd be awesome. I'd really like to try to have another big video out there. It's fun to see that many views on a video that I made, and I appreciate all of you. I want to do another video game system video for you guys. As you can see here, this is my most popular video I've ever done on this channel. Not sure why it blew up so much, but I'm very happy that it did. 1.7 million views, 24,000 likes, and then some dislikes, which is perfectly fine. I haven't had a video like this one pop in a while, and I'd like to see if I can get another one to pop like this. I have all the brand new systems, and I want to know what you guys want to see me do with these systems and test them out. I can do head-to-head challenges, speed test, video quality test, for pretty much any game you guys would vote on.